Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to craft a standout resume and CV using Canva's easy tools? Go to canva.com using your browser, then click the Create button. Type CV in the search bar. You'll see a portrait-style CV template appear. This template is suitable for creating a professional resume quickly. Select this option to view the available templates. A list will appear showing all the different types of templates you can choose from. Browse through these templates and pick the one that best fits your project needs. Select a CV sample from the available options. Click on your chosen template to open it. You'll see that the template includes sections for personal data and other information. To customize the CV, simply edit the personal data fields with your own details. The template structure remains the same, so you only need to update the information to match your profile. If you're not satisfied with the color, click the Edit button. In the Templates section, you'll see all available templates for the project. Select the template you want to update, then look for the color options within the editing panel. Here, you can customize the color to better fit your preferences or brand guidelines. If you want to explore different looks, browse through the available styles in the Styles tab. Each style offers unique colors and visual elements you can apply to instantly update the project's appearance. This entry consists of only one line, so it's already correct. You don't need to make any changes here. Review the details to confirm everything is accurate before moving on. If everything looks good, you can proceed to the next entry in your workflow. After editing the template, click the Share button at the top right of the screen. Next, select Download from the menu that appears. This will let you save your finished template directly to your device. You can save your document as a PDF by choosing the PDF format under the Save options. Select any PDF standard required for your needs before confirming and saving your file. You just learned how to craft a resume and CV in Canva. Like and subscribe for more creative tips.